For today, all you need is a book and a chair, and we're going to begin on a passive hamstring stretch. We're going to push our hips back. Make sure you keep your knees bent for this one, and we're going to work on something that's called elephant walks. You're going to push one leg at a time, and you're going to really try to work on loosening the hamstrings and the lower back. So on every repetition, we're focusing on driving your knee back, and we're alternating side by side. You want to try to keep your back as flat as possible, and you should feel a good opening of the hamstring with every repetition. Very good. Alternating side to side. You don't want to go too fast, but not too slow. We're going to hold here, and we're going to focus on breathing as we sink deeper into our hamstrings. Again, make sure you maintain a soft bend of the knee. Go on your leg straight. We will get to that later. The goal here is to bring your chest as close to your thighs as you can, focusing on your breathing. We're going to hang out here, and we're going to focus on pushing back at the same time. Now if you rise up a little bit, that's perfectly fine. We're doing a double leg elephant walk. Working the repetitions, pushing your legs nice and straight, and working on hamstring opening. Very good. Breathe in, exhale as you push. We're going to hold here and continue on breathing. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rise slow. Alright, now we're going to use the book. You're going to put it down against the chair, and we're going to put the ball of our feet on the book. Heels down, legs as straight as possible, and you're going to lean forward. Use your chair for support. You should feel this in your calves, all the way up to your hamstring. We're going to hang out here and work on your breathing. Make sure you have your toes elevated on a very sturdy book. And we're going to hang out. Now this stretch is a little more intense, but it should not be painful. Just a little bit intense. Work on your breathing. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Very good. And the same thing as you're breathing, you're focusing on really sinking a little deep down as you can. Heels pressed against the floor. Toes up on the book. Very good. We're almost there. We're really focusing on relaxing every muscle in your body. Breathing in slow through the nose. Exhaling out the mouth. Almost there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to release out of this position. Rise up nice and slow. Very good. We're going to put our feet as wide as you can. We're going to hold on to the table for support. And we're going to push our butt as far back as you can. You should feel this in the inner part of your hamstrings, a little bit of the groin, all the way down to the inner part of your knee. And we're going to work our way down. Now if you can get as low as you can to the floor, go ahead and do so. Modifiers at the top. If you need to stay upright, stay upright. The goal is pushing your hips back and holding and breathing. Very good. This is the very last stretch we're doing. We're hanging out here passively. Just breathing in, breathing out. Keep those hips pushed back as far as you can. Very good. Breathing in and breathing out. Almost there. Very good. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rise up nice and slow. Good job today, guys. We made it.